This video will show you how to use multiple iteration tables, a common object in Avatar. Shown on screen is an example of a multiple iteration table. This is found on the Adult Treatment Plan of Care for my test client, but all tables act in the same way. Tables work in the following way. First, you will need to create a row for the data to be entered into. Second, you will need to enter the data. The rows where you enter the data are called items. Still with me? First, I need to click on Add New Item. This creates a row so I can enter data. Clicking on this creates a blank row and immediately allows me to edit it. I'm going to add information to this row now. As I click and type, you can see data added to this row. Clicking Add New Item again creates another row and will let me fill it with data. If I wanted to go back and edit any row I've entered, I simply highlight the row and click Edit Selected Item. This would allow me to change the data in the row. If I wanted to delete the row entirely, I would click Delete Selected Item. Now for some common problems. Sometimes you can get this error message when you try and submit. It will usually say, the following fields are missing. However, when you look at the table, it looks perfectly fine. It's often due to an extra row on the end. When you click Add New Item, it creates a new blank row. And if you forget to do anything with it, or never meant to click that button in the first place, it's very easy to forget, as it's blank. To get rid of this, just click below your last row to highlight the empty row. Then click Delete Selected Item. Alternatively, you can click Edit Selected Item to add data into this row, but most of the time you just want it gone. After this row has been deleted, check to make sure if there are any other blank rows that need to be deleted as well. Another problem can happen when you're trying to edit a row that already has data in it. It would make sense just to click on what you want to edit, and then select what you want to replace it with. But you'll often get this error message, or something very similar. Instead, you will need to select the row that you want to edit, click Edit Selected Item, and then you will be able to make the changes that you need. This is how you enter data into a multiple iteration table, and some common issues that happen while using them.